Hello, welcome to the Pharmacology and Medicinal Chemistry of Hypolipidemic MCQs. The first question says that which of the following anti-hyperlipidemic drug inhibits the synthesis of cholesterol by blocking HMG-CoA reductase? Okay, so the question here is inhibition of cholesterol. Now, to answer this question, you all must know the classification as well as the mechanism of action for the anti-hyperlipidemic drugs. The options here are clofibrate, pravastatin, probucol and nicotinic acid. So always remember, whenever you all hear the term HMG-CoA reductase, आँख बंद करके pravastatin or the statins which are there, take on it. Okay, so HMG-CoA reductase inhibition wherein हमारा mevalonate pathway inhibit होता है जहाँ से cholesterol बनता है, that is inhibited. So the correct option here is pravastatin and any other statin which would have been there, you all could take on it. Okay. Then we have clofibrate. Clofibrate, यहाँ पर fibrates, so these are responsible for lipolysis, that is lipoprotein lipase activity को वो लोग enhance करेंगे. We have probucol. Probucol, it decreases the cholesterol by increasing the LDL catabolism. Okay. Then we have nicotinic acid. वहाँ पर वो क्या करेगा? Lipolysis as well as triglyceride synthesis inhibition. So, know the mechanism of action properly and the correct answer here for inhibition of HMG-CoA reductase is pravastatin. Next question. Which anti-hyperlipidemic drug is a benzophenone derivative? Okay, you should know when they are saying benzophenone, the options here are ezetimibe, probucol, fenofibrate and pravastatin. When they say benzophenone, the name itself here suggests fenofibrate. So ऐसे आप correlate कर सकते हो and the correct option here is fenofibrate. Now what is a benzophenone? So in benzophenone structure, we have two phenyl rings which is attached via a ketonic group. Okay, so this is the benzophenone structure. Let's look at all the structures one by one. So this is the structure of ezetimibe. It has a beta-lactam ring as you can see over here. Then azitidine 2-one and it has para-fluorophenyl group attached to the beta-lactam ring. So this is the structure of ezetimibe. Next we have probucol. So probucol is a dithioketal group. You can see here dithio and here we have a phenolic like structure. So this is the structure of probucol and we can say it as propane 2,2 dithiol. That is, we have 3 carbons over here and 2,2 dithiol. So that is the structure for probucol. Let's look at the structure of fenofibrate. So here in the structure of fenofibrate, we have a chlorobenzophenone derivative. So this is chlorobenzophenone derivative. So that is why the correct option here is fenofibrate. And last we have pravastatin. So this is the structure for pravastatin. We have a naphthyl ring over here. Then glutamic acid like structure. So this is the glutamic acid like structure. So that will be the structure for pravastatin. So the antihyperlipidemic drug which has a benzophenone derivative is fenofibrate. Next question says that which statin lowers the serum cholesterol in patients with homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia? For this, you should know this table, that is, we have the disorders, a various type of hypercholesterolemia and their occurrence and their elevated plasma lipoproteins. So the type 1 includes lipase deficiency. Type 2A is called as familial hypercholesterolemia. When they say familial, it is genetically derived. Then we have polygenic, which is 2B type. We have dis-beta lipoproteinemia, then hypertriglyceridemia and combined hyperlipidemia. So the statin which is responsible for lowering the serum cholesterol levels in this case is atorvastatin. Remember, atorvastatin has the highest lipoprotein, low density lipoprotein cholesterol lowering efficacy. Okay, so atorvastatin, it has highest LDL cholesterol lowering efficacy. This is the reason it is able to lower the serum cholesterol in patients with homozygous hypercholesterolemia. So the correct option here is atorvastatin. Next question, which bile acid binding resin is used in hyperlipidemia? So for this you need to know the classification for antihyperlipidemics. The options here are cholestyramine, cilostazol, probucol and ezetimibe. So a bile acid binding resin they are asking. The correct option here is cholestyramine. The other examples have different mechanism of action. For example, ezetimibe, it is a cholesterol absorption inhibitor. So हमारे डाइट में जो भी कोलेस्ट्रॉल रहेगा एजेटेमिब उसको अब्सॉर्ब होने नहीं देगा. प्रोब्यूकॉल क्या करेगा? इट विल ब्रिंग अबाउट low density lipoprotein metabolism. Okay, so LDL को वो मेटाबोलाइज करेगा. Cilostazol is one another antihyperlipidemic drug. Then the only option we are left with is cholestyramine, which is the bile acid binding resin. So the correct option here is option A. Then we have which drug inhibits cholesterol absorption. So the correct option here as mentioned is ezetimibe. So ezetimibe is the only drug which is involved in the sterol absorption inhibition. Cholestyramine क्या करेगा? It is a bile acid binding resin. Then we have simvastatin, HMG CoA reduction करवाएगा. Nicotinic acid ये क्या करेगा? Lipolysis and triglyceride synthesis inhibition. Cholesterol, bile acid. So the only option here is ezetimibe. Now next question is, simvastatin has which of the following rings? Okay, so the primary structure for statin is that they have a structure which will resemble HMG-CoA because it has to bind to it. Okay, so glutamic acid residue is a must. Then we have the major one, that is naphthyl ring. Okay, so this is the structure for simvastatin and lovastatin. एक ही structure में दोनों का हो जाएगा. So in the R group we have H for hydrogen for lovastatin, and for simvastatin we have a methyl group, and this is the naphthyl ring that we have in the structure. So simvastatin has option C, that is naphthyl ring. Next question is, statin and fibrate, which are used as anti-hyperlipidemic agents, they have dash as a common side effect. So always remember, there is only one side effect with respect to the anti-hyperlipidemic drugs, which is a major one, that is myositis. Myositis means there is pain in our muscles. Okay, so this is the combined adverse effect seen in case of statins as well as fibrates. Next question, here they are asking the mechanism of action for ezetimibe. So if first is acts by bile acid sequester, here the examples include cholestyramine and other resins. Ezetimibe releases nicotinic acid, no. Niacin is nicotinic acid is responsible for lipolysis and triglyceride synthesis inhibition. So nicotinic acid has a different mechanism of action. Then we have reduces VLDL and triglyceride, no. Ezetimibe, it has the only mechanism of action, that is it acts as cholesterol absorption inhibitor. So the correct option here is option D. Next we have fluvastatin has which of the following rings? So the structure of fluvastatin, if we see, we have a fluorophenyl group over here. Unlike simvastatin, fluvastatin has an indole ring. So this is an indole ring structure, hence the correct option is not naphthyl, it is indole. And here you can see the glutamic acid residue. So the correct option for fluvastatin ring is indole. Then the question says the mechanism of action of statins is, as mentioned earlier, statins have a very known mechanism of action, that is competitively inhibition of HMG-CoA reductase. So remember, statins जब भी आया, they will inhibit HMG-CoA reductase enzyme and they will inhibit the mevalonate pathway, जिससे कि कोलेस्टेरॉल नहीं बनेगा.